In our previous video, we shared with you how to order at Starbucks. And in this video, I am going to share with you how to order at KFC or McDonald's in Chinese so that you can buy exactly what you like. Okay, let's go. And first word is McDonald's, 麦当劳 and KFC, 肯德基 And when you go to the order section, the staff will ask you, how can I help you? 我可以帮你吗 Or 你要点点什么 And after you finish your order, they will ask you, are you having here or takeaway? So takeaway means 打包 And having here means 在这儿吃